Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Fidelity to roll over an IRA from a 401k detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Fidelity to roll over an IRA from a 401k, start by gathering the necessary information. This includes your 401k account details and your Fidelity IRA account information. Log into your Fidelity account or create one if you don't have an existing account. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts and Trades section. Select rollovers from the menu options. Fidelity will guide you through the rollover process with step-by-step instructions. Next, reach out to your 401k plan administrator to initiate the rollover. Request a distribution form from your 401k provider for the rollover process. Fill out the form completely, specifying the amount you wish to transfer. Indicate that you want to roll over the funds directly to your Fidelity IRA. Submit the completed form to your 401k plan administrator. They will process the request and send the funds directly to Fidelity. Check your Fidelity account regularly for updates on the status of your rollover. Once the funds arrive, you will receive a confirmation notification via email. Review your IRA account to ensure the funds have been deposited correctly. If you encounter any issues during the process, contact Fidelity customer service for assistance. Once the rollover is complete, you can begin managing your funds in your Fidelity IRA. Consider discussing your investment options with a Fidelity representative. Ensure you're aware of any potential tax implications or penalties associated with the rollover. By following these steps, you can effectively connect Fidelity to roll over your IRA from a 401k. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.